the Magnificent 7 series featuring Google. All right, so we're looking at the Google chart here in TradingView. We're going to just look at a few things regarding fundamentals. So we're going to come down here to the right bottom corner here and look at the fundamentals. So looking at a volume of about 26 million. Average volume 30 days is 24 million. Market capitalization is about 2 trillion. And then we look at our earnings. We had earnings beat the last 4 quarters. The next earnings is coming up. Let's see. We'll go to the chart, click on the E here on TradingView, and we see that that next earnings date is going to be 10/22. So we'll continue on looking at some dividend information here. We'll also jump into the income statement. So for the income statement, you'll see that, again, the blue line is revenue. The net income is the lighter blue line here. And it looks like they're making quite a bit of money here, $25 billion, slightly ticking up a little bit, seems like every quarter, but looking really good here. Nice, strong company. If we look at the year-to-date performance, we got 17% yearly performance, 17.42%. And as we look at 6 month, 3 month, 1 month, and the last week here. So technical rating is a buy, and also the analyst rating is a buy. So let's take a deeper look into the analyst rating and see what they're forecasting for Google here. So what we have is 38% think that the price is going to go up to 225. About 25% think it's going to go to 203. And then there's about 4% that think that it's going to go to 170. So there really aren't any negative analysts here for the most part. So this is looking really good as well for a buy. All right, so let's close that out. And let's go ahead and jump into the technicals here. So we have some technical levels charted out here. Regarding this last swing, this is a daily chart, but regarding this swing here, we've pulled back into what some refer to as the golden ratio, 61.8% pullback. And also we've dropped down into a trend line where we're making a third touch of this particular trend line. So this is the third touch. Generally, when you get that third touch, that will just take off and move up at a pretty good clip here, and we should see some upward momentum. So we got a couple of things in our favor. Would be the Fibonacci levels that are showing that 61.8 pullback. The third touch that's happening here. We are above the 200-day moving average, which is the blue line here. And we're above the 25-day moving average as well. And about to, it looks like, surpass the 100-day moving average. So we got a lot of things in our favor, looking for upward movement here. Price target would be $192. Again, this is a daily chart, so that could take some time. But the idea is that we would expect a trend to start to move upward. So we'll have to watch what happens here at the 100-day moving average to see what the reaction is. But otherwise, we'd expect it to continue to move upward. So that's the forecast for Google.